High dog chews traces its origins back to an ancient tradition. High in the mountains of the Himalayan region, people have been making a unique, hard cheese for centuries. Originally, it was not intended for dogs. It was a food for humans, crafted from yak and cow's milk, designed to last and retain its nutritional value in harsh conditions. Over time, people noticed something important. This cheese was just as appealing to dogs. Strong, loyal companions who lived and worked alongside humans every day. And so, an old product found a new purpose, from human nourishment to a functional treat for dogs. This idea became the foundation of what we now know as dog cheese. In Latvia, using high-quality food production technologies, we have created a modern interpretation of this traditional dog cheese. Our process is based on premium curd, precisely controlled production stages, and consistent quality at every step. Today, dog cheese is more than just a chew. It is a high-quality source of protein that helps support muscles and energy levels. Thanks to fermentation, it contains low levels of lactose, making it easier to digest. Naturally occurring calcium and minerals contribute to strong bones and healthy teeth. High Dog Chews is a story of product evolution, from practical human food to a premium solution for modern dogs.